Good morning guys and welcome to this week's weekly vlog. It is Wednesday. I've been editing my last vlog all morning. This is pretty much what I do every Wednesday. I get up and edit so that I can upload at 5 p.m. So I've just been doing that and now I'm going to make this bed because I couldn't be bothered to do it this morning. I was hungry by the time I got out of bed. And I'm also going to put my clothes away because they've been piling up for a little while and they're kind of getting in the way now. It's mostly because I don't have any drawer space. Like, we have all of these drawers, but only 3 of them are mine and the other 3 are Andy's, so it's just not enough space for a girl, you know? So they kind of pile up on the floor. They're all like clean, but they just sit on the floor, so... ready as per usual. This week I've got chicken burritos. I can't remember if I put it in the vlog or not. Maybe I did. I don't know. But it's basically just chicken, red capsicum, green capsicum, onion, mixed beans. So I think it was like the Mexican mix at Woolworths. It's like pinto beans, kidney beans, and black beans, I believe. And then I just used the salt reduced burrito mix. I do generally tend to use my own like herbs and spices, but I was having a really lazy Sunday, so I just bought that. And then I bought these mini tortillas to go with it, and I've been absolutely loving it. It smells so good and it tastes so good. So I'm just gonna heat this up now and enjoy my little burritos. So I'm about to make the biggest mistake of my life. Just kidding. I am about to crop this jumper, which may or may not work, so I could just like ruin it and have to chuck it out, but it's from Kmart, so it's cheap. But I just don't like the fit of it. It just, I don't know, it's just at a weird angle. I like it. I like things to be cropped to show off the booty. So I'm going to attempt to crop this and see what it looks like. And voila, we've got ourselves a cropped little number. Only 5 buckaroos too, so bargain.
I wasn't listening, I was watching, see you blinded by the sunshine strip. In the kitchen, oh yeah. How it is my thorn with the
Hey guys, so I am now back from the gym. I just did a couple more hours of my placement and got to shadow a group class again, which was really cool. So that's pretty much what I've been doing all afternoon / night. It is now at 10 o'clock. I don't know where the time has gone, but I've just had a shower and did a little fake tan, and now we are cooking up some dinner even though it's really late. But I just thought I'd show you guys what we're having. So we're cooking up chicken, surprise surprise, and then in the oven we've got a big batch of, oh, maybe I'll zoom in from here. In the oven we have a big batch of roast potato, roast pumpkin, and roast carrot. Ah. So I'm looking forward to that. And then for my dessert, I'm going to have this little peanut butter cup that I made yesterday, which is basically just dark chocolate, natural peanut butter, and a little bit of coconut oil to like melt it all together. And you're good to go, and they're absolutely delicious. So yeah, we're just gonna eat this, head to bed, and I'll check in with you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. So I literally just hopped out of bed, as you can probably tell from my morning voice. I'm about to make breakfast because I'm absolutely starving and I don't know what to have. It's so sunny and warm outside that I'm like, I want something cold, like a cereal, or yeah, basically just something cold. Like I don't want warm oats or warm pancakes, but I don't really know. I might actually make an iced coffee, which is like, isn't it the best part of the year when you know you can finally make an iced coffee? Does that make any sense? Like I feel like most people have hot coffee in winter and like the warmer months, but then as soon as it like warms up and you can just make an iced latte, it's the best thing ever. So I think I'm gonna make that, and then I might maybe I just want toast with like jam. I feel like jam's pretty like fresh and summery. Do I have any good bread left though? Oh no, oh yes. I have 2 bits of bread left. I use like a fancier bread, a healthier bread. So it's the Bergen one. Yeah, I'm gonna make an iced coffee and jam on toast. Oh my god, the obsession has begun. So guys, you just missed what has been happening. I just ran to the supermarket. I literally have T-minus 1 hour until I have to be at work. Well, until I have to leave for work. I am not ready. Clearly I look like poo. But I had a southern... I'm sorry. We're gonna angle you up and like, hey, this is a hot angle. But I'm gonna make some cookies because I had a random craving for Afghans. If you're a Kiwi, you know what an Afghan biscuit is, and they're the best things ever. And my grandparents love them, and every time I go over there, that's all I like crave. So I'm gonna attempt to make a healthy version of it and see how we go. But I literally have no time whatsoever, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never made these before. So I've used half a cup of wholemeal plain flour, half a cup of almond meal. I'm gonna do like whatever's left of this chocolate cacao powder. Oh my god, I'm literally like sweating bullets because I sprinted up and down stairs and ran to the supermarket. All I want is these Afghans, and I want them to be ready before work, otherwise I don't even get to enjoy them, you know? We're gonna add some coconut sugar, maybe like another 2 tablespoons, maybe 3. Why not? Oh, Baba, it's okay. Shh. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey. I've just been studying for the last couple hours, that's why I haven't bothered to like pick up the camera. But then I put my laptop down and I was like, oh my god, I could totally go an Afghan right now. And in Australia, we don't sell them. The secret ingredient in Afghans is cornflakes. So obviously cornflakes aren't super healthy for you. I decided to buy the Freedom brand because it's like the healthiest brand of it. Like there's no added sugars or anything, they're gluten-free, vegan, and all that kind of things. If it actually works, I'll write the proper recipe below because right now I just don't have the time to even think twice about this. I'm melting 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, some baking powder, I can't get the lid off, a hint of vanilla extract. Guys, I've freaking done it. Look at these, they look so good. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy right now. Sorry Andy, when you get home from work and come home to this. I can't believe I've done it, guys, and it is 4:04, so I have 15 minutes to do my makeup, which I can do. I'm dressed, I'm showered, I made my biscuits, all within an hour. I'm superwoman, I'm superwoman, Okay, bye. Hey guys, sorry I've been a little bit MIA in today's part of the vlog, but it is lunchtime. I've just been at Officeworks printing off all of these documents and whatnot. It took me ages, but basically today I'm going to my friend Laura and James's house, who you guys have seen in the vlogs before, and I have to put them two and Laura's mum through fitness testing, and they have to answer like questionnaires, nutritional questionnaires, their fitness history and all that kind of thing as a part of a case study for my assignment. So yeah, I'm going there today. It's probably going to take us like quite a few hours to get through. So I don't know how much I will actually vlog. I'll try and vlog like afterwards when we're just like chilling and that kind of thing. But yeah, I'm not sure how much like throughout the day I'll be able to vlog, just because I really need to get like this case study done. Good morning guys. So I don't know when the last time that I vlogged was. I think it was Friday, to be honest. But we just went, after Laura and James's, I think I vlogged when I got home. And then we went to Snitz for dinner, which was delicious. And then we went to the movie A Simple Favor, which I highly recommend. Did you like it, Andy?
Yep.
It was so good. Like halfway through I was like, what is this movie? And then it got real good. And I love Blake Lively and Anna Kendrick. So yeah, highly recommend if you guys are wanting to watch it. It's like a drama, thriller, I don't know, kind of like on the edge of your seat, but not in a scary way, because I don't like scary movies. It's just more of a thriller kind of thing. And then yesterday I worked all day. I actually had to open and close the shop, so I worked from 8 till like 6:30, and then I came home and we just made dinner, watched a movie on the couch and went to bed. So I didn't really vlog anything. And then today we've just gone grocery shopping this morning. As you can see, Andy is frantically putting all the stuff away, because we're going out for lunch with his family, which will be really fun. His auntie is in town from Tasmania, so his whole fam bam are going out for lunch. So we've got the groceries out of the way for the day. That rhymed. I'd show you guys, but we're like in a rush, so. Sorry, long time no talk. Not that you guys would probably know the time, but it is 9:30 at night, and I last filled you guys in at like 11:30 today. But basically we went out for lunch with Andy's family, which we said, and then we went, when we got home at like 4, I think it was, we went for a little beach walk, and then we went to the gym for a couple hours, and I put Andy through a little upper body sesh. I can't film him because he just had a shower, so he doesn't have a shirt on. But did you die?
Yep.
Yep.
But I'm still alive.
But he's still alive. But yeah, I was just teaching him like correct posture and the right technique and that kind of thing. So it was a good little session. And now we are home, obviously. I've had a shower, washed my hair, and made my meal prep for the week. I didn't film it because it is the same meal prep I made in 2 vlogs back, I think, the chicken risotto. So this is what it looks like. Just the exact same, but I did add 2 chicken breasts instead of 1 last time I done goofed. So did that. And then I made these little banana walnut muffins because we had some super ripe bananas. And that is going to be my meal prep this week. And then for dinner over here we have some roast white potato, sweet potato, roast cauliflower, broccoli, carrots and chicken. So that's going to be our dinner tonight. We also made double batch for tomorrow. Smart thinkers. But yeah, as I said, it's now 9:30, so we are ready to eat and go to sleep. We are knackered. So if you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below, and we will both see you guys in the next one. Bye!